Special offer is on our 6620 machine vices, our most popular vice, and we're offering all 8 sizes, list price, less 25% to customers to the end of this year.
25% off until the end of the year? Off
list price to the end of the year.
That's brilliant. Now tell us a little bit about the vice.
Well, as I say, our most popular vice comes in 8 different sizes, which means you can go from jaw widths of up to 200, and this will open up these vices up to 360 millimeters.
So, wow, 16 robo-drills in your machine shop. That's amazing. Let's start from the beginning. What is it you're making here at R&G Precision?
Well, in the beginning, we started with FANUC, just literally drilling and tapping castings. We've still got our 1996 T14 robo-drill, which is still in the workshop and still working. So we took on the FANUC to help us with that because we had multiple quantities of just aluminium plates which we were drilling and tapping.
This particular machine tool is something that really lends itself to cutting them hard materials, and you've just been talking to Neville, Lyndsey. What did you find out?
Yeah, so this is a twin spindle lathe essentially, and the reason I say that, and we'll explain why in a moment, but you've got the same speed on the spindles and power in both of those spindles. The euphoria here really is to have twin spindle, but you can have other options as well, like a tailstock. There are many other options there. But the reason why I delayed that is it is a lathe, but it's also got milling capabilities. Fancy a holiday? Of course. Well, how about a payment holiday? Because Star are currently offering a 6-month payment holiday, which means you can have all of the benefits of the latest Star sliding head technology sitting on your shop floor, making you money, making you components, and you pay nothing until summer 2021. With schemes such as Sybil's that have now been extended to January the 31st, 2021, you now have more time to get your hands on a brand new machine, and the government pay all the fees and interest for the first 12 months. If you think a GROB machine is out of your reach, then think again. They have got some fantastic deals on this incredible technology, haven't they, Paul?
They have, and this technology is right up my street. I love looking at machines that are different. And this is actually the first time I've reviewed a GROB machine, and there's going to be more videos coming to the MTD channel with us talking in more detail about some of the things I'm going to point out now. First thing you've got to be able to see here is this tunnel concept where the spindle buries into the back of the machine. It's essentially the spindle is always on fixed rails with just moving shoes. So wherever you're positioned in this machine, whether the table is upside down or in the position it is now, you will always be ensured of getting the maximum stability in your machining process, something that is very unique to industry.
I've never seen some of this technology anywhere, ever.
This machine turns as well. It doesn't just do 5-axis machining, it turns like a lot of the GROB machines.
You free up 4 machines by investing in one? Well, that's what they did here at KM Engineering in Bristol. How intuitive is a Joe Mars fuzzy control? Let's find out. We're here at White House Machine Tools, and quite honestly, I have never seen Gio as excited over a machine ever, to be honest.
Well, Lyndsey, there's a lot to be excited about with this machine. Effectively, you've got a vertical lathe, a 5th-axis machine, a robot solution, all in one.
Yes.
And the capabilities are